Hey everyone, it's Nick Nielsen here with you, walking into Affinity Place right now. A lot of things have been happening this week to bring things from a hockey rink into a curling rink here, and we here at Rock 106 and Discover Estevan have been kind of documenting the thing whenever we can get a chance to pop in. So we're going to show you what it's like to turn a hockey rink into a curling rink. It starts off with about 4 layers of white ice to cover up the logos on the hockey rink, which, as you can see, takes a bit of a team effort to run the boom and the hose down the length of the ice. From there, they go to work with the wire so they know where to place the hacks and the rings correctly. Then, painting begins as they take a few big brushes around the circles to paint them on, and go around with a few fine-tuning tools as well to scrape off some excess paint and touch up a few minor edges. From there comes more twine so they can place each and every logo on the ice, as well as a small layer of water to seal in the logos, the hacks, and of course the houses as well. Then comes the placement of the foams in the carpets as well, so they know where the ice is exactly going to be, and from there it gives them a template that they can flood on later and to make the ice a little bit thicker for them to pebble on later. From there they start to flood and flood and flood, giving them lots of thick layers of ice so they have something that's nice and flat, nice and smooth, nice and even for them to pebble on later so they can put on the finishing touches the next day. Then they scrape and clean the ice, pebble it, scrape and clean the ice and pebble it a few times more, and so you get that nice pebbly surface for a curling rink that you're so used to seeing. They take the backpack sprayers with a special end on them and go pebble the rest of the ice. Cool. So you just walk around with those and... Yeah. And there you have it, the full 6-day-long process to turn the beautiful Affinity Place from a hockey rink into a curling rink here for the Untitled Tankard. We hope to see you guys there as much as we can. And if you can't get to the Tankard, make sure to tune in to discoverestevan.com. We'll be giving you guys as many updates whenever we can, as soon as they become available.